So a short video on foam rolling of the hips. Bring the ankle up on top of the opposite knee, create this figure four, and as we roll over the glute itself, making sure to stay away from the bony prominence on the outside of the femur and not going into the low back itself. Foam rolling, finding any good spots in there. We can also pull the knee in and foam roll over the same area. Doing obviously both sides, here and here, roughly 10 passes on each side. And then from there we can move into hamstring. So hands support the hips, bringing our hips off the ground, and we just roll the hamstring over the foam roller. Again, about 10 passes each side. We can switch. And as we turn the foot in or out, we're going to get different portions of that hamstring. And then from here, bring the hand and the leg over, and then we can go over the side of the thigh. So people refer to this as the IT band. We're also getting that lateral quad, or the outside of the quads, and as we go, again, avoiding the bony prominence right here on the outside of the hip. But as we go further down, I can get into the hip flexors, and again, staying at the pelvis, not going into the abdomen. And then we can go all the way to the knee, and again, turning the foot in or out will allow us to hit different quad muscles as we go. And then switching again, and we just roll up and down, turning the foot, turning the thigh as needed.